If you are getting dynamic disk error, the MBR GPT thing while installing Windows, just go back to the Install Now menu and press Shift plus F10. Together this will open the command window. I will add all the commands in description. Now type DiskPart, hit enter. Then type list space disk, hit enter. It will show your HDD, SSD, USB, all the storage device attached to the PC. Now select disk carefully because it will format your selected disk. In my case, I am installing this on my SSD, the one with 476 GB. Select the disk by assigning the number. In my case, it is on disk 1. So I am typing select disk 1, then hit enter. Then type clean and hit enter. It will completely wipe your drive. Then type exit, hit enter and close the window. Now you can proceed with installation. For detailed installation guide, video link added in description. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting guys.